Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Chris the Radar. So, check this out. Have you ever been to a drag race? Believe it or not, I visited for the first time. On a Friday night, May 8th, I went to the Cecil County Drag Strip for a fun street night event. This place in Rising Sun, Maryland spans 140 acres with lots of asphalt and grassy areas for racers to meet up. This drag strip has existed since 1963 and is known as the attraction capital of the nation. They got everything from street nights to test and tune sessions, junior dragsters, and all kinds of big events. If you are in Maryland or nearby and enjoy cars and racing like I do, you should come by. I gotta appreciate one of my subscribers for putting me onto this spot. It's the perfect spot to chill, shoot videos, snap photos, and connect with car enthusiasts. Plus, I couldn't resist grabbing some merch when I was there. I spent an incredible day at the car scene, seeing a lot of cool rides. Watching two cars go head to head, feeling those loud engines shaking the ground, and smelling the rubber and smoke in the air made it an unforgettable experience. I had such a good time, bro. This place is where I would turn for more action. Please enjoy, like, and subscribe to this video for more to come this week. And I appreciate y'all support as it does help me a lot more than you can imagine. And just a quick sneak peek for you subscribers, May 17th, I am going to Dover Motor Speedway again to watch a NASCAR race. So that's going to be fun, shooting videos, taking pictures like I did last year. And I can't wait. Anyways, enjoy the video. See you guys next time.
Supra.